Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It is day 2 of the Coronacation vlogs and I'm in a good mood. Like, I was kind of sad last night and this morning and just like kind of today I was just upset, but right now I am kind of in a better mood and I did my makeup and I did something fun. I just put like different blue eyeshadows on my waterline and like my glitter, and I just put on some makeup, and yeah, so I think it turned out good. But anyways, I came up with an idea of what I can do for this Coronacation vlog, and I've been wanting to do this for a little while, but I just didn't know how to go about it. Like, I still don't really know what to do, but we're just gonna go with the flow and figure it out on the way. What I want to do is I want to redo my room. Not redo it, but kind of add more decor and kind of make it like fit my aesthetic and how like I want it to be. Right now my room is way too simple for who I am. I have too crazy of a personality not to have it match my room, because my room is too bare and that's just not me. So that's what we're gonna do. And I was on TikTok and I just found so many ideas I could do from people's like their backgrounds or like pictures they posted, or just even room tours. I've seen a room tour on there and I was like, this is just really inspiring me and I want to do that. So I know one thing that I definitely want to do to my room, but I just don't have, is I want to put white lights around my room, like white Christmas lights almost on the ceiling, kind of like in the, like, you know, right there, and like all the way around my room. And you guys know that I have those lights on my windows, the hanging ones, but I don't really like those as much and I don't think they fit like the aesthetic. So I want to get the ones with the ceilings, but I don't have those. Actually I do, they're just used for the Christmas season, so I could probably steal those and just for Christmas time we can buy new ones, but I don't really know, because you know we can't really go to the store right now because all of them are closed. But I have to ask my parents about that, just because I don't want to like use it and then be upset with me, and plus I don't really know where they are. So yeah, but I just want to show you guys, well, my room is really messy right now. I need to clean it. But I wanted to make this a wall of like a vintage kind of wall, just like with vintage pictures. You could say put some cassette tapes up there that I thrifted, but it's just like not working. And I also kind of just wanted more pictures. So I decided that I'm gonna make this whole wall and then probably that little wall full of pictures and just like thrifted stuff. I don't know, like the cassette tapes and I don't know, little posters maybe. I don't really know. We're gonna play it by ear, and honestly that might be too much, like too big of a space. So I'm still trying to decide what I want to do. I'm just really conflicted. But I also still have my little Polaroid wall that I can make into something, and I also have photo booth pictures in one of my bins, and I just have like old pictures. And I don't know, I feel like I can find stuff in my room to make it more put together, kind of. So the first step to all of this is to clean my room. And like I said, it's really messy and there's just stuff all over the place. So I'm gonna do that first and then we can get started. Okay, so my plan is to, once the quarantine is over, to go to the thrift stores and see if I can find little like postcards or vintage little posters or anything, so I can put it on this wall. I don't know, I think it would be cool. And then we can figure out what to put on the rest of my walls just so they're not as bare. But the first thing I'm gonna do is take down these lights, because I already took down those ones. Can't even see that they're on there, but they're there. I'm gonna take those down, and then I'm also gonna take my Polaroids down and this wall down. Okay guys, so it is much later now. I just watched a movie with my family, so I couldn't really do anything in my room, but I found a lot of pictures on Google for my wall, and I printed out a lot of them, but then my printer ran out of ink, so a lot of them are just bigger versions of these pictures because I just wanted them bigger versions, but I couldn't print out all the pictures I wanted, like I said, because I ran out of ink. The only kind of photo paper I had was really glossy photo paper, and I don't want the glossy kind because it will reflect the window, like it'll reflect the light, and we don't want that. So I'm gonna take my matte Mod Podge and I'm gonna Mod Podge these, and then tomorrow I will hang them up. But for now, I found things to put on my little random wall. We're gonna call it my random wall. And it's just kind of like sentimental things. So I have this little pin thing from a beach I went to with my friends. Then I have this pin that's like kind of looks vintagey. It's from a show I did. And I just found a lot of pictures of me and my friends, movie tickets, tickets from just like different things. I'm gonna start Mod Podging these, and I also have some that don't need Mod Podging because they are semi-gloss and I don't think they'll reflect the sun as much. I mean, they reflect a little, but I think I'm just gonna keep them, and then if there's an issue, I'll just Mod Podge them. Okay guys, so again, it is much later. I just finished Mod Podging all my pictures, and it took a while, and now everyone in my house is sleeping. But I have pictures everywhere now. I have pictures up there, over there, there, just everywhere. But now I'm gonna cut out the pictures that are semi-gloss because I'm not gonna be Mod Podging those. I probably honestly will in the future, but for now I'm just not going to. And then I'm gonna start taking the pictures off of my wall that I said I was gonna do earlier, but I never did. Good morning guys. So it is the next morning. I did a lot in my room last night and I didn't film it because I was just tired and I just wanted to I was just like in a mode to like get it done, and I just was like I had all these creative ideas and I was just like doing everything, but I obviously didn't finish because I can't just finish my room in one night, and I can't even do it in one day or 1 week probably because I don't have everything I want to put in here. It's gonna be like an overtime thing, but for now I'll just do as much as I can. I want to show you what I'm doing over there because I'm doing some like fun arts and craft things because I am an OG arts and crafter. That was what I loved to do when I was little, so that's what we're gonna do now. Oh, but also my eyes look kind of different, and it's because I was just playing around with makeup like I did yesterday, and I just put like purple and pink and whatever on my waterline, and so it kind of makes me like look like I have black liner there, but I don't. It's just like colorful liner. No, colorful eyeshadow, not liner. But yeah, I feel like I kind of look like an alien, like low-key alien vibes. Basically, I was just thinking, I have a lot of canvases in my closet. I don't know why, but I do. And oh my gosh, my foot! I painted this canvas, this pretty periwinkle color. It's like a lavender mixed with like a light blue color. So like, I don't know what this is called, but it's a pretty color. I like it a lot. And I decided, I have Mod Podge and I also have all these little glitters, and I decided maybe I could mix them all up and then pour it on almost like resin, and it could be like a pretty glitter canvas thing. I don't know, I feel like it'd be cool, and I just feel like that goes with the vibe of my room, the aesthetic of my room. So that's what we're gonna do. I just ran into some problems. So first of all, I just got the stuff all over my legs and on my carpet. Just a little on my carpet though, and that's cleanable, but like, I'm glad I changed my leggings. Forever 21 sheep leggings, because if I was wearing my Fabletics ones, I would have been so mad. But I also realized that my canvas might have gold, green, and red glitter, because you could see on my leg, the glitter, I'm pretty sure it was the iridescent one, turned green, red, and gold, and I just don't know why. But I was watching a little room tour, and a girl had a record on her wall, and it had cute little stickers on it. I have a whole thing of stickers saved if I ever want to use them for something, and I picked out 3 of my favorites to put on here. So I have this smiley face one. It came in a Brandy Melville package that I got, and then I have this Glossier one. Came in a Glossier package I got, and then another Brandy one that I got in a package. So I was thinking I could arrange these in a cute little way and put it on my wall. I think it would be cute like this. But then I also have a miniature record that I could use instead. But I think I like the bigger one better and it fits the stickers more, so I could put this aside for now. Okay, I think this is actually really cool. Alright, so this was actually this actually had like a gold, like weird bronzy middle, but I painted it black just so it could look better. And then this one had like a yellow center, but I painted it black. You could see. Yes, so I'm just making stuff to put on at this wall because that wall is always so bare. I also don't know whether or not I want to put LED lights up there, you know, like the colorful ones that all TikTokers have, or if I should do the Christmas lights. I don't know. I like Christmas lights, it just makes me happy, but the LED lights are so like vibey and they just are so cool, and I feel like it would just be a cool addition, but I don't know if that's like the aesthetic. I don't know, like I'm struggling with like the aesthetic. I feel like I have two going on right now. It's like vintagey and also Y2K vibes, and I feel like sometimes those can clash.